Hi, I am Dr. Yvonne Weekes, lecturer in theatre at the Faculty of Culture, Creative and Performing Arts. I was thinking about what makes a successful student in this particular faculty. One of the things that I notice very readily is that the students build wonderful relationships when they come in. And since theatre and dance and film are very much social activities that demand communication, teamwork, collaboration, I think that is one of the things I'm very excited to see when the students come to the faculty. They work together, they hang out together, they do a lot of exchanges. But the pitfall of that, or the flip side of that, is the possibility that sometimes there is a lack of balance. So you'll find that just occasionally there are just groups huddled together and they're probably watching a film or they're doing a game or something that is not necessarily school related. And what I want to encourage the students to do is, while having that link and that bond is very useful, especially for success in our field, it can also be detrimental to their overall success. If they don't say, hi guys, we need to stop. Hi guys, we need to cut the line, do the work, do our cinematography, rehearse our lines, practice our choreography. So I want to encourage the students that while they're building these wonderful relationships, some of which I might add I see happening outside when they graduate. In other words, they build these entrepreneurial business relationships. And the start is always here, which I find really exciting. But they really do need to just take a check. The other thing too is that first semester, when they have all the freedom to meet and freedom to talk and freedom to work together, can also be a difficult semester, because very often I see a couple of students who didn't do that well. And they were really great students. They came with amazing grades at CSAT, at CAPE, or at the associate degree level. So I think that what they need to remember is that it's kind of almost a determining semester. So that's the semester they need to be most careful. So my advice for them is that they don't wait till the last minute. Come to speak to your advisor, take a check, take stock. Hey, maybe I'm spending way too much time just kind of hanging out, but I would encourage students to always come back to their advisor before it's too late. So those are the two things. And I think that the group dynamic at the Aerobound Center for Creative Imagination is just amazing. It's wonderful. It augurs well for the kinds of work that they have to do for all of their courses, but they just need to be very mindful that they can perhaps go too far. And so I wish my students well in this new year. I pray that they will build the relationships, but they will also recognize when they need to do their individual work, the individual study, the individual rehearsing, the individual learning of lines, the individual preparation for their courses. So I wish them all well for 2020 to 2021.